In this video, I'll show you how to convert your PDF into a URL link on your laptop or computer. So if you have a PDF document like you see on the screen here, and you want to go and convert this into a clickable link on a website, then I'm going to show you the steps to go and do this. Now, first just open up an internet browser and head over to the website google.com. Make sure you're signed into your account in the top right hand side, and then click on the square icon in the top navigation. Click on Drive. In the top left hand side, click on New, click on File Upload, and then just go and locate your PDF document that you want to go and upload. So I'm going to double click on this file here. And once it's finished uploading, you'll be able to see Upload Complete in the bottom right hand side. Now just go and click on your PDF document. We can then click on the Share button in the top right hand side. Click on the drop down arrow next to General Access and go and change this to anyone with the link. Now click on Copy Link and press Done. Now what you can do is go and send this link to anyone who you want to access this PDF document. So for example, if I go and paste in this link to an internet browser, you can see this is what it will look like to whoever receives that link. And once you've sent out this link, people will be able to download this PDF document directly from this window. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.